This is an Okuma Crown L1060. It's March 2022. This machine's a U10L control, 2 axes, tailstock. See the holders are on there. The machine's running right now 1200 RPM. You can hear everything's quiet. There's a side view. There's the serial number. Coolant pump in the back. It's running, again, 1200 right now. There's 2000. I'll stop it and move the axes. Move the X down. And here, that's nice and quiet. Z. Same. Nice and quiet. It's set as a chucker right now, so you can see the tailstocks there. So, March 22nd, 2022, Crown L1060.